So in this video, you'll learn how to enable or disable data switching on your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. So the first step when it comes to turning data switching on or off is to simply just go ahead and open the Settings app. Once you're in Settings, you're then going to tap on Connections and then choose the option SIM Manager. From here, you then want to scroll down until you find data switching and you should see a toggle next to it. So what you're going to do is just tap on the toggle next to it to turn it on. And if you want to turn it off, you're going to tap on the toggle to turn it off. So now, if you have it enabled on your Z Fold 7, it means that your phone will automatically switch between the two SIM cards based off of how strong the network signal is whenever you're browsing the internet. If your first SIM card is in an area that doesn't have enough internet, it will switch you to the next one and vice versa. If you want to turn it off so that this feature is no longer used on your Z Fold 7 and you actually have to manually switch between the SIM cards, then you're just going to tap on the toggle and it will be turned off. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.